everyone. Welcome and thank you for joining us today for our snack in our session. It's a 10-minute session where we'll be covering the top 5 e-commerce growth hacking strategies to get more customers. So without further ado, let's dive in. The first approach is by creating a welcoming first-time experience for new users with guided product tutorials and walkthroughs. So no matter how good your app actually is, the first impression counts. So you need to make your first-time users comfortable in navigating your product, and this is why you need a good onboarding strategy. User onboarding is the first point of contact with your new user, and it often takes the form of a brief walkthrough that demonstrates on how to use the main features of your app in just a short, simple steps. For this, you can make use of guided tutorials in the form of interactive product walkthroughs or how-to videos, images, carousels, or even screen tips and splash screens to educate your new users about your product. So using Upshot's onboarding tool, you can create a compelling and delightful onboarding experience for your new users without any hassle. For instance, one of our clients, Vasil, actually leveraged Upshot's onboarding toolkit with dynamic and personalized onboarding tutorials to optimize their onboarding campaigns, and which led to an increase in paying users, eventually leading to an increase in their revenues. So the bottom line is that tutorials provide an instant value to the users. So the quicker your users get to the value, the more satisfied they will be and more time they will get to spend shopping on your e-commerce app. The second approach is by using contextual in-app messages to drive sales. So in-app messages enable you to engage with your users in real time, as it displays messages while the user is engaged with your product. So using the right words in your in-app messages with a compelling CTA, you can persuade your users to complete a specific task or nudge them to make a transaction. For example, you can use in-app messages to increase app usage with timely recommendations. So you can send relevant and timely alerts or even product recommendations on the go. For example, you can even run. So if you're running any promotions on the website, so you can leverage in-app messages on both desktop and mobile to provide an omni-channel experience as well. So Upshot enables brands to trigger in-app messages to the right customer at the right time. For example, one of our clients, Puma, used a similar tactic to drive the app usage and boost engagement during the ICC Cricket World Cup. So they leveraged Upshot's in-app messaging functionality, and they were able to motivate users and increase participation in their quiz contest, which resulted in a 44% increase in the app feature adoption. So the bottom line is, if you use it wisely, in-app messages can help you improve your overall app usage experience. The third approach is by using deep link push notifications to increase conversions. So push notifications enriched with deep links help you to drive users right inside the app, engage them with a specific content, and make it easy for them to make a transaction. Say, for example, you can use push notifications to combat cart abandonment. You, instead of using just plain text messages, you can make use of the product images themselves, product images to attract the user's attention, and then deep link the notification to make the user to land on that exact page from where he or she can complete the transaction. Or you can even use action based push notifications to create a sense of urgency, to complete a desired action and entice users further to motivate a purchase decision. So Upshot allows you to easily build different types of push notifications and enrich them with deep links. Using Upshot's push notification capabilities, Panini was able to design several workflows that delivered series of nudges to their customers, which helped in improving conversions. So our team experimented with several versions of copies as well as with the correct timings to which resulted eventually in an in 12% increase in the user engagement. So the bottom line is that push notifications can be intrusive, but you can improve your chances of getting more conversions if you could entice users with appropriate copies, intrigue interests, and emphasize on the benefits. The fourth approach is using segmented email campaigns to unlock more revenue. So, building an email list and segmenting audiences into different cohorts will help you nurture them through the conversion process. So, you can then create email campaigns accordingly to target different user segments with tailored content to increase engagement and drive conversion. So, Upshot has this powerful segmentation engine that enables you to examine the entire user base, identify new users, and then segment them based on demographics, behavioral data, historical data in real time, and target them. So our client Panini leveraged the power of segmentation engine to segment users based on their purchase behavior and content preferences to send out push notifications for email campaigns. So this resulted in a 20% increase in the number of paying users. If you want any detailed information on how you can supercharge your segmentation, feel free to schedule a demo with us. We are happy to offer you a personalized consultation. The next approach is to have a loyalty program. So repeat customers are the bread and butter that will feed your e-commerce business and help it grow. So if you are experiencing churn or even if you're looking to expand your customer base, you need to incorporate a loyalty program in your growth strategy. Upshot enables you to create rule-based rewards, customize reward programs according to your brand, and integrate them across every channel without any need of coding. You can even monitor and evaluate your reward performance using our comprehensive dashboard. So when one of our premium clients wanted to increase their app rating, Upshot team created opportunities for an engagement loop that motivated users to leave a review and rewarded them in return. So every reviewer got a guaranteed 1,000 coins and they entered a lottery where five lucky reviewers would get 100,000 coins. So each reviewer just needed to ensure that the reviews were genuine by submitting them against their nicknames. So after the lucky draw, the five winners were notified. This resulted in an improvement in the app rating from just 3.2 to 4.2 in within just a matter of few days. So the bottom line here is that with many available options in the market, you can feel as if retaining hard-won customers is tough. But with the right strategy and structure, you can level the playing field. The strategies we discussed today for e-commerce might appear small, but they are significant. They are a significant part of the opportunities your business can use to reach more customers. A little bit about Upshot is that Upshot is an omni-channel customer engagement and gamification platform that can source customer data from online as well as offline channels, hook users with habit-forming products, and empower businesses with the right engagement tools to build personalized campaigns and deliver a superior user experience. For more information, you can just scan the QR code on the screen to schedule a quick demo. You will also get 1 hour of free consultation, and we'll be more than happy to schedule a personalized session just for you. Thanks again for joining us today. We'll see you next time.